Welcome to the hot and spicy. How are you doing? Hope you've had a good week and enjoying your Saturday if you're watching it today. Right, I've done some wraps. God, it was a warm day yesterday. Hot. Whew. Can you see this? We're having Old Peculiar Theakston's. Good name for me, that. And it is 5.6% ice cold. That can stay there. Just opened it up. Bring things over a bit. There you go. And there it is in the glass. Cheers. Wow, that's nice. Unpasteurised and cold filtered. Right, what have we got? Wraps. So what I've done is, in here, you may be able to see, is a mixture. Tortilla wraps, put them in the oven for a minute. Garlic ciabatta bread. Chicken sliced into, well, there's one open here, pieces like that. I've seasoned them in salt and pepper, fried them to seal them really first, hot oil in, and then I put a whole bag of bird's eye chilies into the chopping machine I got. 3 cloves of garlic to finish it off, because I had 3 left. So the garlic and chili, then put that in. I put some red pepper, which I've sliced in. Lettuce. What have I done? Oh yeah, fried them off. And when they're ready, put them on this with the lettuce first, the chicken, peppers, chili, garlic. And then I put a vinaigrette dressing on top. Oh, and a piece of spicy Mexicana cheese. These should be hot, because I put the whole pack in. And there's too much in this end one here. It was too big. I should have got bigger wraps really, because the whole thing's coming apart. But it doesn't matter. Oh man, the chicken. Oh, we're on 29 degrees in here. In work yesterday, have a look at the temperature. I recorded it. Oh, it's hot. Add a bit of humidity to that. I'll tell you what you need. Plenty of this stuff. Cheers. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. Good old Welsh water. Anyway, back to the hot and spicy. Oh, just look at the view while you're here. Oh, it was hot. God, they're lovely. So, look at this. Oh, that's another thing I forgot to tell you. I coated the chicken, salt, pepper, and then I put some paprika just over the top. Only on one side. And then fried with the chili, garlic in olive oil. And that makes a sort of not a sauce, but a base for it. And then all together, all in, absolutely stunning. And the vinaigrette, I can just taste the... I thought it was a good hot weather spicy dish. Let's try this. That is nice. So what's your plans this weekend then? Any plans? And most importantly, what you have to eat. Delicious. Even though I say to myself, oh, the heat from them, a whole pack of bird's eye chilies, just, well, took the, what I call the tails off the stalks. Oh, that is nice. I wasn't sure what to think of this. I'm not sure if I tried it. Legendary ale, it is very nice. I don't know if you remember last week I had the Brains Dark, and if you like Guinness Stout, that type of stuff, that was gorgeous because it's got this caramel chocolate coffee theme going on. Not in your face, but it's oh, very nice. I said it before, the good thing with chopping the chilli and garlic in the little mini chopper, it's becomes, when you put it in the frying pan, it covers everything, so it's not just slices of chilli, so you're not going to have 3 chilies in one go and think, wow, that's hot, and nothing in the next mouthful. That's my theory of it. I really fancied a curry. I get these, I don't know if you get it yourselves, especially, well, if you like curry, you just, oh, I could do a curry tonight, hot curry. And I had this lamb curry in my head, and I was going to do it with the Naga chili and Carolina Reaper and double them up, so 2 of each, and they would have been hot. But then I fancied these. I had these in my head. So not disappointed at all. Beautiful. So maybe next week the curry. We'll see. Don't let the heat bother you. Been a funny day today though. Sunshine 1 minute. I mean, we were in the 30s yesterday, and it went to where I was, it went to about 17, between 17 and 20. It kept a hell of a drop, and then we had rain. But it's remained humid. But it's summer, hopefully. Starting next week, as I say, could be wet, and then it'll get nice again towards the end of the week. We shall see. There's a lovely fresh chilies. You can't beat fresh chili. And there's a lovely burn there now. Just, oh, this is what life's about. And thank you for your comments. I've filmed another video last week, didn't I, of my father's, and thanks for watching that. In all honesty, I was going to film it but not release it. In other words, as a archival thing, and just show family. But it went better. Wasn't sure how it would be accepted, you see, because you didn't know my dad, and you may think, well, who gives a toss? I didn't know him, where he lived, but yeah, it went really nice, and I had an idea how I wanted to film it. And since then, a family member, Doug and Brenda, I don't think they watch these, but if you do, thank you so much. They got back to me, and actually that graveyard had more history than I realised. Next grave to my grandfather was a family member, which was Doug's parents, because they lived there. And round the corner was my great grandfather, so my father's father. No, my great grandfather. No, wait a minute. My grandfather. Yeah, my great grandfather. So my grandfather's father. And his twin, he was a twin, my grandfather, one of twins, and the other one died. So his grave's there. So I'll have to go back and have tomorrow, it's not going to be a Sunday roast, Sunday dinner. I'm doing a salad. Lettuce, bed of lettuce, tomatoes, spring onion. I'll probably put some of that spicy cheese. I got another one of these, I might have that. I'm doing some sausages. Bit of chicken left. So I'll spice that up. Sausages. I know you might think sausages. Sausages, yeah, it goes well. Leave them go cold if you want, but I don't mind them hot or cold. Potato salad. There we go. Coleslaw. Tomato. I've said tomatoes, yeah. Anyway, it'll be delicious. Oh, spring onion. Onion there. And some vinaigrette dressing, yeah. Getting better as I go. And probably a dab or two of some hot sauces. I found a new hot sauce in Tesco, but when I say new, it might be well, I'm looking through my sauces, a bottle that's just a new label of the same thing, so I'm just checking to see. It's a Nicona, but the one I bought yesterday says extra hot, and I don't remember seeing that on my other ones. Anyway, we'll see. Oh, this is gorgeous. Tomatoes, as you would have seen in the day in the life. Thanks for watching that. There's lots of tomatoes coming, all green, but they should start to turn hopefully soon. Chilli plants I've got to show you. That's very bushy. I didn't separate them in the end. I've let it go as it is, so that might hamper things, but there's one growing bigger than the others, and that's flowering. Good sign. So hopefully I'll have a few chilies from that. Didn't cost me anything if it doesn't, but it'd be nice to have them. Leeks are doing fantastically. They're roughly the thickness of this top of the bottle at the moment, so that's good, and they should be ready September, October, hopefully, so for winter stews and things like that. I've done a similar thing to this before. Oh, that cheese is lovely. Oh, the heat is gorgeous. That's a sudder, but the whole packing. I think it's about 10 to 12 chilies now. So with working, and then I've been out filming, as you know, and other stuff, home, doing stuff here. I haven't been able to reply to all the, because to be, as I said, my father's video, I call it, very popular. The views it had, it's just unbelievable. So and the comments and people were very kind, and it reminded some people of their, history and things. It's really nice. So there's a few questiony comments. I'll reply to them, but I've read everyone. Thank you so much. I give it the heart, but I appreciate it. Oh, that was another thing. A lot of people said they liked the day in the life type video. They liked my clips of the week, wasn't it? Just little clips of the week. You enjoy that type of stuff, so I'll try and do more like that. And make it may not be every week, but I'll if people like that, I'll do it. And time as well. Is there anything else to tell you? Oh, I've had to put the two, if you can see them, 2 woodpeckers up, because that sign still says welcome, which you are, obviously. But I'll have to put the hot and spicy back. This is lovely, this. Chapati. I tell you what though, 2 of these is enough. Filling. And I was hungry. I don't eat big meals, believe it or not, but I do enjoy like that now. What I mean is big meals in one sitting. So if I left this, I could leave this here for an hour maybe, and I'll have one of these in between and finish that later, cold, just as good. And let's face it, after a few of them, you'll eat any. Where did I see that? A comedian I was watching. Oh, who was it? Anyway, he was Mick Miller. Oh, he's a fantastic, from the 60s, 70s, I think. He was part of the comedians. Looks like a clown with he's bald here, and he's got hair just here, and it's growing. A good comedian. And he was going on about, when you have a drink and you're drunk and you're coming out the pub, and he said a lot of times people have a kebab, or they go to fish and chips or chicken and chips or something like that. But the way he said let's face it, when you have a kebab and you say I want everything on it, he said most of it ends up on your shoes. It's to the sauce, because you're all over the place. Not that I've been in that state often, of course, but this is what he said. He said a kebab shop is like a lighthouse to a pisshead. It's true, and everybody's coming out the pub and hey, right, I'll leave you to it, because my jibber jabber and rattling on, time goes, and I apologise for that. You're good enough to give me the time you do, so this was absolutely stunning, and I'm glad I've done it. I thought it was a more summer evening meal with still having heat and relatively healthy. Not that I'm worried about that on a Saturday night, but good stuff. So I'll have this later on, and I'll finish some of these now. Beautiful. So have a great weekend. Look after yourselves. See you in the morning on the other channel, if you follow me on there. Yeah, that is it. Good day today. All emails caught up. And yesterday, I always do this when I'm ready to finish. I bought a stock pot, stainless steel stock pot. If you don't know what that is, it's just a sort of a saucepan but deeper with two handles and a glass lid. I hope it's got a glass lid. Anyway, I'm going to make my curries in that and my stews. And sometimes I want to make a beef stock or a chicken. Anyway, you don't know all this, do you? Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. I hope you have something good. If you go out, enjoy yourselves. If you stay in, well, enjoy yourselves. And don't forget, at the end of the day, it goes dark. I'm going finished. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. All the best. End of the day, it goes dark.